Is it still raining out there? No, stop.
No, I sneezed really hard.
This is as far as I got into my tent. I'm just waiting it out. It actually picked back up. My coat was completely black when I got it. I've never seen that color before. Careful. Don't get swept away. Okay? Revenge of the thorn bush. The others are coming. Oh, my shoe got wet. Is your shoe wet, Garrison?
Oh, no, it isn't.
Yours is still dry?
Yeah.
I got a little water on me. I don't even care anymore. Why did I do this? Who signed us up for this week? You okay? Easy does it. This will document our last moments of our life when they find the video recorder. Stay on the dry side of the path. The dry side. Good plan. Wet rocks. Don't go up there. Campers have drowned.
That's like a normal. Is that just the halfway point? Yeah, that's like we're at that way. This is like the size of a normal creek.
Only people who have tested red, white, and blue for swimming may advance on the path. All others have to turn around.
No, like this is the way you can.
Oh, kids, you're getting your shoes wet. My shoes getting wetter, they'll start being dry. Good heavens. We're playing in the water. We stay on the dry path.
When we were going down,
yeah, we're
videotaping
videotaping
it. That would probably be a minnow creek up there.
That'd
be a minnow creek.
It's too late for me. Lucky I didn't bring my boots or the second pair of shoes. I think these shoes might have had it. I think I may have to get a new pair of tennis shoes when I get home. I hope. I hope there's a giant water slide. In the movie there would be. There is no trail, man. It's a small river. go down the trail after a rainstorm. Woo. Another day, another rain at Count Buck Run. Here's some voices. Some eager campers doing campcraft coloring in place of the bows and arrows. We're going to do that. Now there's some papers. They got something good for them. Keep them busy. It's definitely my group. Wanted to do the bows and arrows. This is the trail we take every night to and from the camp. This is the trail you take after you take your shower. Up and down. Well, you go down to get to, oh, look, we got some people coming. Happy-go-lucky campers. Rained out. Got some campers. What was that? I think we were the first group. We got rained out. I mean, no one's up there now. I went up to shut the tents out. There's no one up there. I'm the only guy. Are you the first? Have you? What'd you do for the first time though? After the lunch, is this your first activity after lunch? Oh well, that's great. Kids will be really happy to hear that. Hey,
I thought you guys had archery with us yesterday, so.
Oh, okay, good memory. No, I'll go down and see if I can catch my son. I went up there to realize my tent was open. I left my poncho and umbrella up there, so it really worked out well. Yeah, actually, the tent got more water than when I opened it up.
I asked him, I was like, hey, we went down to the progress one. He stayed with the other one. He said, hey. Well, did you shut the tent clubs?
Huh?
I don't know.
I better go check.
My shoes are dirty.
Your shoes are dirty? I'm videotaping the whole trail. Your shoes are dirty.
Go.
Go on up there. I gotta head down and find my son. Did you see him? Little redheaded guy?
Wait, who? Wait, who's your son?
Redheaded kid?
Oh, yeah,
There's
he's down there.
He's down there? Better go find him. Good luck, guys. I hope so. Don't drown up there. Water's getting higher. I feel like I'm in the big scene, the fight scene at the beginning of Return of the Jedi here. Keep expecting Ewoks to pop out at any moment now and rescue me, maybe. Or heck, at this point, turn me into the Empire. I don't really care. As long as I got a dry cell for me, because we're going to do some laundry, hopefully. Well, here comes some wild guys.
Yeah, so be careful. There's a big mud puddle right here. Yeah, and right in this area, so it's big. I want to see how deep it is. Not that deep. Still, it's deep.
Garrison, I brought you some dry socks down. Videotaping this moment. Oh, don't worry, it's a stream up there.
Yeah, it's like walking in the creek.
Yeah, I think you're in the creek. All right,
We're heading to archery.
That's what they said. Okay, well, I'll go down and start some laundry. I'm almost there.
I was going to get mine together rather than archery.
Had
Oh,
nothing
thank
to do.
you, sir.
No problem. I'll catch. Are we on time then? On schedule?
Yeah, we're back on schedule.
So we're going to do archery for the full time. Then we're going to do the archcraft. Okay.
Yeah, then we're going to be back down here.
Okay. Well, I'll start the wash. Come up. Go get the ice stuff, and hopefully throw my laundry in the dryer at the time. Okay. Be right back, or as fast as I can up this trail. Now you might try to go up there, but that'd be a mistake. Down here. Could have gone there, I guess. We're going to go down this way. Boy, I could use some mosquito repellent right about now. Maybe if I'm lucky, the sun will come out. Really hot and humid. Like it did yesterday. That'd be good. Actually, it wasn't so hot. Oh, I got a little humid there. My shoes are just a little damp. I can't wait to go back up this hill, too. See, we lost Misha. I don't know where he went. I don't see him. Journey back up. Maybe the flood got him. Last seen heading down the trail. There's something or other. Oh, I should go find out where Garrison put my cup at. There's Misha.